These are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need some udon noodles, some light soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, fresh chopped garlic, fresh chopped scallions, peppers, carrots, and radish. You can use whatever vegetables you prefer, but that's what I wanted to use. You're gonna add butter and sesame oil to the pan, and we're just gonna start sauteing the vegetables down, and I'll come back once that's done. Next, you're going to add the soy sauce down in here, as well as the hoisin sauce. I don't really have a recipe for this, but I can give you a base. However, this is basically to taste, so it's totally up to your discretion. But next, you want to add both packs of the noodles that come in a little packet, a little bit of water, stir it up, and that's it. Look how easy that was. Low maintenance, few ingredients, everything I got from the Kroger supermarket. This was so easy to make, and it was so delicious. I then finished this off with the rest of the scallions I had, as well as some parsley, and cilantro, I'm sorry y'all. And this is what it looks like, y'all. So beautiful and pretty, and I can't wait to tell y'all what I thought about it. Oh, I got my water. My favorite water is alkaline water. I know I love water, so either way, every water is my favorite water. Look at this, y'all. Ooh, it's my first time actually making udon noodles. I want to try it today. Plus, I'm trying to eat something. Someone's probably gonna get me talking about I cooked the noodles to death. It was purposefully because I just got my teeth snatched, and I have to be on soft foods for like the next 72 hours. So I figured, why not do noodles, shakes, and water, juice, things like that, until my teeth loosen up a bit. But first bite, let me give y'all some. Look at that noodle, y'all. I gotta chew to the back. Now, the reason why I don't do mukbangs is because I can't eat fast. I also edit my eating section because it's no point you watching me chew for forever. I'm going to speak on my own experience and what people actually think about me. First of all, ain't nothing perfect over here. What is perfect, though, is the love that we have for each other, as well as, like, the respect. My respect came in for him as a human being when he started flying back and forth from Texas to New Jersey consistently, and being consistent with showing efforts that he wanted to be my friend first. You know what I'm saying? It didn't just pop off and we, You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's not about it being, it's plenty of days, y'all. Let me tell y'all something, and a lot of wives, y'all can attest to this. I've been wanting to whoosh, for getting on my nerves, like, on many days. But at the same time, like I said, the respect, the love, all that stuff, you know, you can't fake that. You can't fake that. A lot of times these people that's in a relationship fighting and killing and catting like dogs, you know, they don't respect each other. I can't see myself putting my hands on him. I'm pretty sure it's vice versa because of how he treat me. However, he'll go in his office and close the door and not talk to me for a couple hours. Or I'll come downstairs and not say nothing for like, you know, a few hours. But other than that, no, the thing is the respect is strong. The respect is what's strong. The respect is what's gonna keep your relationship going. The respect is what's gonna make you wanna fight for something that you know you respect it, so you want it. You don't want to lose it. On a serious note, y'all, ain't nothing perfect over here. Ain't nothing perfect nowhere. Nothing's perfect in my life. What's perfect is I genuinely love him and everyone else in my life. If you're in my life, I genuinely care for you. If you're in my circle, if you're a family member and we speak, I genuinely love you and have mad love, respect for you. You know what I'm saying? And that's just who I am. And even if I don't like people, or if my marriage or my friendships or my relationships are on the rocks, or hell, I'm not going to put it on the internet. I'm not going to text it to your phone because it's none of your business. The only time it's going to become someone's business is if the law gets involved. Because there's a difference between a stable, healthy, but not perfect relationship versus an unhealthy relationship. You got to know the difference between the two. Respect the person you're with. Make sure y'all are friends, man. Like, don't just meet somebody today and be like, oh, his pee-pee is good. Let me marry him tomorrow. Some marriages work out that way. I guess for some people, I just don't see myself doing that. But I know I was all over the place with that little topic, but I just wanted to get that out there and just say no one's friendships, relationships, family, nothing's perfect. You just learn how to work things through. You work with your patience and work things through. Anyway, you guys get what I'm saying. Be yourself.